Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com. This is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the Volkswagen Golf 2015 through 2021 5-door hatchback. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers, set of 4, and the JetStream load bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is an additional track in which the tower is attached. Alongside that track are measurement numbers, which are referenced in the instruction sheets included with the pad and clip sets, and that will guide you in the correct positioning of the tower onto the bar. Now, the tower itself, it has multiple adjustments to provide a very customized fit to the vehicle. To access those adjustments, we first must remove this outer cover by squeezing the top and pulling down and back. Now, the first adjustment and attachment we'll look at is underneath this panel. So we pull back on that panel, and here we have the adjustment which will provide 3 points of pitch, which will help to provide a better fit for the curved roof lines on the roof. Now, when we close that cover, that prevents access to that fastener. Now below we have another fastener, which is the toe adjustment. That adjustment will allow us to change the angle of the pad and clip assembly to best match the door frame. And when that is tightened, this tool, the handle, will click, and that will indicate that you've reached the correct tightness. Now on the inside here, we have an additional adjustment. When tightened, that will pull the clip down against the door frame. And underneath this panel, we have the final adjustment, which will, when tightened, pull the clip up against the door frame. Now, the clip and pad set themselves, you have a pivoting base with a contoured rubber material, which rests directly on the roof, a steel clip with rubber where it contacts with the inner edges of the door frame to provide protection and grip. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place by connecting at the bottom and snapping at the top. Here you'll see we have a plastic plug which can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System, which means you can have all 4 of your towers as well as any other Yakima SKS compatible accessory or carrier all key matched using the same key for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments on this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.